Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Pad 5 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this tablet. Firstly, you need to access Settings. Now scroll down from the top and tap on Privacy Protection. Then click on All Permissions and pick one of your phone's features, like location or microphone. Then select one of those apps like Maps and pick one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with allow only while you're using the app, so when I go back, I can set Maps, gain access to this device location, so there a microphone if I'm using it. But you can also just click on one of your apps like Google, select See all Google permissions over here and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!